Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the function by hand. Y is equals to 2 minus the square root of x, not by plotting points, but by starting with the graph of one of the standard functions. Right here we have y is equal to the square root of x, and then applying the appropriate transformations. So here we have two transformations. We have, if I write this as y is equal to negative square root of x plus 2, it might be a little more clear. We have this negative sign on the function. So therefore, this is a reflection about the x-axis. If the negative sign was inside, it would be about the y-axis, but this is the x. And then we're adding 2, so that's up 2 units. So first we do the reflection. All we're doing is mirroring it about the x-axis, and then up 2 units. We can start with this point right here at the origin, move it up 2 units, and then not worrying super carefully about all of these points because we're not plotting points, just get the general shape so it runs parallel to the other one. It's just 2 units higher. So this is the y is equal to the square root of x. This is y is equal to the negative square root of x, and y is equal to 2 minus the square root of x. The original, the intermediate step, and the final function.